The title is Lead the Bandwagon with Technology. And in order to run the technology, we had two additions in our team, Dr. Mukesh Patel and Dr. Hitesh Modi. These are my disclosures. The photo shows the Apple and the Android. So both the technology of the phone, is it difficult to adopt? I had that mind thought, I had that thought block that no, I should not be having two because it will collide in my brain and I will have difficulty in coordination. But fortunately, at my baby boomer's age, I am able to manage these two gadgets at the same time. And I have two phones, one with the WhatsApp and one with the regular phone. So it's not difficult. So any age you can adopt technology if you want to. How many of us lie every day? Can we have the raise of hands? So I think out of 100, probably 100 have raised the hand. Some of you may not be lying, but that's something which is, so when patient asks, મટી જ જશે સાહેબ બધું બરાબર થઈ જ જશે am I going to be cured? And the answer most of the time, we usually are diplomatic. We really do not tell the truth. And that is something, so every day I'm sure we all lie, from admission to consent and to post-op treatment as well. And if we become truthful, I'm sure it will become a big challenge to all of us in our medical profession too. So all our staff knows, that this is what usually we do every day from morning till evening. If I may ask, when do you shout? When do you cry? When do you say, oh my God, this is something that has gone wrong? And these situations are what? Unexpected per-operative surprise. When the anatomy, you have the aberrant nerve root. And that's what, you will feel, what am I going to do with this? There is something which is a pedicle, which is of 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter, and you are not ready with the screw size. So that's what is something where you would really shout or cry, in the OT or say OMG. Unwanted event or occurrence, that's what happens sometime in the OT as well, like, injuring the vertebral artery or something like, injuring the vascular structure or even nerve root for that matter. And helpless. Anesthetic says blood pressure is falling, or I cannot control this blood pressure which is 200 by 110. And that's where, you are completely helpless, and he will raise his hand, say, sorry, I cannot help you. You just carry on or stop, and then I will try to control. So that's the team where sometimes, the team fails as well. That's where you would say, OMG. Not saying what is ideal, do what is needed and what is required. And so that is what the only thing which I have followed is demand and supply. So whenever the demand has increased in the form of work, in the form of what is required is dramatic difficulties, monumental hard times, knockdown, betrayed, dismantle. This all has happened to me in this journey of severe. But what I would say at the end, I always win. And that is what is the richness, and that's what is live rich. I would give simple small message, demand and supply and live rich. My lesson in 2011, this gentleman of 84, he went and climbed the mango tree and he fell down and he came with quadriparesis, C2 odontoid fracture post-traumatic, and post-operative he worsened neurologically. And that was because of the C1, C2 fixation, and that was probably the vertebral artery injury. So the quest for the best started then. What do I do? Why? How can I overcome all this? And that's what, I'm from the era of elbow guard to radiation exposure, which was 5 by 5 when I was resident. Now it is 0 by 5, I would say. Radiation exposure has been 0. We have the IoT SS operation theatre spine suit. And I would say that this gentleman lived fully. And if I am asked, if you die, do you have any wish? I said, no, I have done all the best for myself, for my family, for my patients, for my center. So that is something, if I die today, tomorrow, I will live peacefully and I have reached fully, and I am rich as well as far as the word rich is concerned. So era before technology, please inform neurology, patient moved or not. We were using solimetrol maybe once a day as well. But with this era, after 2018, it changed, and we have integrated operation theatre spine suit, and that's what the orchestra I run. And we have a satellite created in the form of the navigation, and we call Ajay, AK-47. He has been giving me difficult talks, and this is one of the difficult talks he has given me as well. Pain is gain. Surgery to plan a day before, all kinds of talk. And I'm sure, Dr. Amit Jhala has given me talks in the previous MISSABCON as well. How do we get the ASSI and MISSAB work together. So this is my orchestra. And that is something which I would just move forward with this orchestra. So we have class 100 OT, we have bone scalpel integrated as well, navigation, neuromonitoring, all working together with 3D CT scan and the navigation. So dedicated staff is required. It saves the heartbeat, and our ergonomics is addressed as well with the help of these gadgets, which is, we call this as Nandi, Jamvan and Airavat. They are the names of the O-arm, and the Bhaskara, Aryabhat and Rohini, they are the names of the S8 navigation system. We call Brahmastra the 3D 4K, and we call the robot as Ganesha as well. And along with that, we have the 3 IONM and the 3 bone scalpel console as well. 50-year female, just coming to how it has helped. So this lady had C1, C2, which was C1 was and C2, and then there was per-operative surprise. We were not able to put the C2 screw because of the small pedicle, and we managed to put the C2 laminar screw. So that was something which we were able to overcome with this kind of technological support which we have on table as well. And that's where you can put the drill, and that's the follow-up of that patient, which is 13 months follow-up with the good neck movement, as you can see here as well, with the good fusion done. So learning point was CT and MRI. So you need to have the pre-operative, per-operative surprise to be overcome with the gadgets. Similarly, Maya Damor, you can see the C1, C2, and we have been putting 3-rod construct, as you can see here now. We have the 3rd rod, and this was possible only because of the gadgets which we have, and this is something which we do in our OT setup too. This is another one with the 4-rod construct, as you can see here as well. So that is something where, the osteoporotic bone, when it is precarious, we are able to manage 2 screws, 3 screws, 4 screws and 4-rod construct like this as well. This is another one with the 3-rod construct as well. This was pretty bad looking, from occiput to C7T1 junction, which we managed to do as well with these technological gadgets. So what's the purpose of the life? Lead the bandwagon, and that was the role which I elected to play. And this is something which is my team, and this is something which we have the fellows coming to our survey as well. So world will not devote itself making you happy. I want to be thoroughly used up before I die. Harder I work, more I live. My life is no brief candle for me. Instead, it's a splendid torch which I have got hold for the moment. I'm sure everyone knows that we have a fixed time on this earth. I want to make it burn as brightly as possible before handling it onto the future generations. So that's what I would say the life is all about, and we should be really having the true joy of life. Its purpose, it should get utilized. And that's what with the technology which we all should be doing as well. So I have practiced how to turn setback to strength, wounds into wisdom, problems into prosperity with the strengths, hard-won lessons. And expanding the team to Stavian legacy, hard work, not the smart work. That's what I would say. I have done hard work and hard work and hard work. And that's something which has given me good success too. And that's why I'm standing here in the front of all of you. I have been all this colleague, principal, cervical spine surgeon, which is my domain at the moment, facilitator, and maybe in coming years, I may become service provider too. I have been general practitioner, as I'm sure backache is second most common cause, which we were discussing few minutes ago. We are all spine physician. We have to be spine physician. Then only you become spine surgeon. And remain student, which is just an example, which I completed my PhD in 2024 August. So the message is, I'm not sure where you are on your life's process, whether you are at the summit or in the valley, but I do very much wish to remind you intensely that you do have magic within you, potential that needs to be realized, very real ability to impact humanity in a big and bold way. or maybe simply in a tiny fashion, which is certainly just as valuable. So tiny fashion or a big way, I think we all should be contributing. Stay great, good soul, continue believing in your dreams and being your own biggest fan. What is ahead of you is wonderful. That's what the small little message. And I have always believed in Murphy's law. If surrounding fails, you fail miserably. And that's what we believe at Stavya in Operation Theatre. So that is what led us to buy, as Dr. Amit most of the time says, first surgery you can prevent, but second is inevitable. And that is something which is true. You know, once patient comes to us after first surgery, the second becomes inevitable. We have to end up, we end up operating them. You cannot really conserve them because something has gone wrong with the gadgets or adjacent level has gone. So patient are even worse. That is where, the Murphy's law comes as well. So first set of gadget, second you buy because of two things. If first one fails, you are so much so dependent on it. And that's the message is, IOTSS Integrated Operation Theatre Spine Suit marks the next step in enhancing the patient safety with AI support. Crucial to assess the limitation and dependency. I'm sure the second one you will end up buying after the first one which you have bought, as second surgery is inevitable. Significant comfort in the complex cases which is at Stavya in the operation theatre can reduce the legal risk too. And you are responsible for what you do, but you are equally responsible for what you fail to do. And as surgeon, we know that human errors are there, and can you really go back and say, sorry, that was my error, and now, that's the peroperative surprise which you are going to get today and tomorrow, and that's where you are able to circumvent the gadgets. So all this has been written in this book, Stavya Spine 33, and I believe in checklist. I'm sure we all believe in checklist as well. We have to have the checklist in the operation theatre, and we believe in 3 checks. Like, in the OT, in the OPD, there is 1 check. Second check is my fellows. All our fellow, they are asked to question anything, any damn thing they can ask. And the third fellow will be the second consultant round as well. That's what we believe in 3 checks at Stavya too. So a tiger ride is something which we all are doing. If you step down of the tiger is going to eat you. That's a small little message. So keep riding the tiger in the best possible way by having the bandwagon and lead the bandwagon too. So speak 5 lines before yourself, to yourself every day. I'm the best. I can do it. God is always with me. I'm a winner. Today is my day. And I'm sure that's the day of MISSABCON as well. We had a great day yesterday. And today also it seems to be the best as well. And I'm sure coming 2 days are going to be the best. So end is not the end. Effort never dies. And that's what the effort I have put in about my bandwagon. And that is something which is a teamwork. Teach and learn to manage. Thank you very much. Thank you.